Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's learn Instagram trending reels editing. So first things first, open InShot application, choose the button or choose the video button below, then tap photos since we're focusing more on posting picture and Instagram reel. Then click Canva, which you can locate the low left corner, then choose TikTok Canva since they have the same ratio. Then click add music, which is near to Canva button. You can choose any music you like. You can adjust your music duration by dragging it to the end, or it depends on you whenever you like it. Then after doing that, add effect and choose first the beat section. Then choose any effect under beat section, and you can adjust how does the effect works under that video. After adding an effect, you can adjust the duration whenever you like it. Next, after you're done on the beat section on that effect, try to add another effect, which is we're going to choose the glitch effect. Choose any glitch effect and adjust it on your video. Then right after that, adjust the duration, which I adjusted at the end of the video here. Then after adding some effect there on your video, you can add text to your video. You can place it anywhere, adjust the font color, change the font style, and even add some transition on that particular text. You can add more effects so your video will be look more dope. So once you're done, you can export it by tapping the icon which located at the top right corner here, and that's it. I hope you learned something new today and help you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.